You'll figure it out eventually. Hey, yeah! Yes! So much smoke. We got the Tahoe back. AC's fixed. We won't die. Nice. This car is so great, dude. It's so quiet from behind. All right, you can park it there for a sec, or you can drive it, I don't care. Dude, I can't wait. We're gonna tune this thing on Tuesday of this week, so you'll see this thing shooting mega flames very soon. The R33 is sat long enough. I still have my GTR fenders on the way, so we're gonna be doing that another day. But this thing has been sitting here for a little while, just chilling. They've been untouched for like probably a solid month now. So today we're gonna finally cut up the fenders, which is kind of dreaded, and make sure everything fits. Chris is here to help us. Hey, the door handle actually works for this car. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Big shout out and big thanks to Micah from Holdfast for the steering wheel, bro. I love it. This car is a pain to get on the lift now because it's so low and the side skirts. Look at that, look how close we are. That's how close I am to losing my mind. So we gotta get this off, and we're gonna have to do a little bit of modifying. This fender right here is contorted a little bit, and we need to make sure we can figure out how to get it not like that. Like, we cannot have gaps like that. Like, I'm gonna use rivets and stuff like that, but like this right here, no bueno. The other side is great. This side needs to get figured out a lot. Gotta be careful with the deuce. Okay, so we're looking at it. Definitely need to file down a little bit more of this to get it flush with the body right there. And then I think we're still gonna have to file down a bit of this. This part is like really needing to come down. So I gotta admit, guys, I thought a lot about this. I thought a lot about doing this. Hi, this is the first time you see my face in this video. I thought a lot about doing this. And for a while I was like, man, do I really want to cut up an R33? And then I thought about it and then 2 seconds later I was like, yes, I do want to cut up an R33 because the GTR is naturally wider. With these, I'm just doing the GTR width. So it's not like a true like wide body. It's not like I'm ruining the car. I thought about that a lot. I was like, you know what? I'm just making the car look better. I'm making it look exactly like it would if it was a 4-door GTR from factory. As long as I do my part in doing a good job and using the right tools and take enough time to do it correctly, it can look really, really mean. So this is the last time you're going to see this narrow body R33. Dude, I just want to show your shirt, man. This is so good.
I'm working.
You ready, dude? Here we go. I don't know if you guys have ever worn a sweater when it's really hot outside, but don't do it. Okay, so now that this is off, I'm not actually gonna lie, I've done this enough times to where I've done an okay job at getting everything cut pretty nicely. I'm gonna take a flapper disc and go ahead and smooth out all the corners, because the last thing you want is sharp ass objects like this to pop your tire. I'm gonna smooth everything out a little bit. I'm gonna probably go ahead and smooth some of the paint off of this as well. Dude, this actually turned out really, really good. Gonna give her some smacks. Smack her in there, get her close. So some people like to cut everything and like weld and pinch this together. Honestly, I've never done it and I've never had a problem with it. I've never had any issues arise from it. So, not gonna do it. But, that looks pretty damn clean. Now we should have plenty of room for a wide wheel. Chris, you wanna feel the wettest shirt in existence? Isn't that I wasn't expecting you to actually touch it. Okay, so it's a lot better now. We filed a lot of this away a lot of this away, which was very much needed, which also allows this to fit way better than it did. This now goes flush, so we'll have to use a couple more rivets than intended on this side still.
We might be able to
Let's see if the gas cap opens. That's a big deal. Does it open? Push. Oh. Oh. Do we need to do any modifications before we, okay. Nice. Okay guys, we got it to fit. We had this idea to where if we cut this, it would like maneuver it a little bit better. So I'll be able to do some body filler and go ahead and clean that up. And then same for this, I'll do rivet, 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 rivet. So I'll do a little, wow, that was a lot of words. I'll do a little bit more riveting on this side than I intended on, but I'm gonna end up doing countersunks so we can go ahead and body fill over those. So, got a little rivet tool, and then I've got these little countersunk little rivet like things. They help you countersink. And we've got 1/8 inch countersunk rivets. These are pretty cool. So what we got to do is drill a 1/8 inch hole, which is already done. And then after that, I've got to take my special tool. I have a special bit that drills not only a 1/8 inch, but also a little countersunk hole around it. Okay. You can't even tell it exists. After I put a little bit of Bondo over that, you're not even gonna be able to tell it exists. We're done with this side. It looks really, really good. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of body filler here. Look at those rivets, dude. Look at that. That's so sick, dude. All good all around here. All is good. Got 2 down here. And then so the rear bumper is actually gonna go over this, so you won't be able to even see any of that. Start her up! It's about to rain, and so if anything gets in here, we're screwed. So, woo! Yeah. God, this car it's not obnoxious either. It's great. Crank it to the left. There you go. Straight back. Yeah. Monster. Shoot, this car is gonna be a freaking monster. You good? All right, we're good. To have like, or did somebody cut these and actually like hammer them in?
Your other one has the same ones. I saw it.
I think they like rolled them. No, that's definitely not OEM. Somebody did that. Well, it's gone now. It's no longer a thing. Thankfully with this side, like, there's no problems with the kit. I can literally just drill it on. I think this whole kit is gonna be done aside from Bondo today. We're gonna die. Death. Nice. Oh, way worse. All right, so this side is looking money. It's already on, and we got all this riveted. There's no holes. It fits really well. The door opens and closes. I had to do a lot of fabrication here, or a lot of like sanding there to get this to work, but it's good. Now we're gonna put the door card on and finish this body kit up once and for all. All right, let's see. Hold it up there. I hope this side fits as well as the other side did. Oh, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit up. Yeah, a little bit up, a little bit towards me. That's it, right there. Damn. All right. Literally just riveted on. Nice. A little more. Go ahead. That was fast.
Oh no.
No. No. Oh, nice. Good job. Okay. It's done. I mean, it's not like done. It's not ready for paint, but here we go. So now it's ready for the Bondo and the sealant and everything like that. It's good. Like, oh, let me get over here. How the hell did I get out of this? I'm gonna die. I am definitely gonna die. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. It looks like a freaking 4-door GTR. I guess that's the point. But damn, boy, I want to get it out of the garage. we go, dude. Dog. That little flare out is it's so nice. I told you guys it's gonna just be like such a subtle kit, you're not even really gonna notice. These countersunk rivets, the car's actually disgusting right now, like, for sure. But this kit is like look at it from all angles. From all angles, it looks just OEM, nice, a little bit wider. Oh, dude, and the fitment too. So the fitment, like, I can have almost no negative camber and these wheels will fit perfectly, not rub. Whew. And yes, guys, it's gonna be all one color when it's done. Don't be doofuses, of course. So my vision for this car whenever I got it was like, obviously these 33s are cool. The 4-doors, when they're very bone stock, they're not as cool because they don't have the wider, you don't even have the option to have a wider body like the GTRs. And even like the GTSTs, the 2-doors, I think look a little bit better, but for some reason, because this car is so long, the narrow body, I just really wanted to do a GTR wide body. So my GTR fenders will be here like, I think Friday or something like that. They should have been here by now, and unfortunately they're not. But as soon as I get those, it's gonna complement the car a lot, and I'm gonna be able to actually run these crazy wide wheels. Like this spec for this car on stock body is nuts. It's gonna look real good.
You go lower.
I know, I definitely am gonna have to go lower. Yeah, so I guess you haven't seen them.
No.
But they're super flush. Like all I have to do is Bondo, cover it, and you'll never see them again. Very cool. Dude, I'm excited. I love this car. Alright, so to end this video, I want to give you guys something that's kind of been on my mind and my heart lately. It shouldn't be any surprise to you guys. We live in a time where you're shamed more for getting upset at rude people than actually being the rude person. There's a verse in Proverbs that says, the tongue holds the power of life and death. I want to say to you guys that it's important to make sure that you are limiting your time around people with deadly tongues, if you will. And I want to encourage you and say that it's not a bad thing to like block somebody online. Dude, if somebody is constantly bugging you, if somebody's just always negative and it affects you, there's no shame in just like blocking a person or just getting them out of your life, because it's so healthy and it's just so important to make sure that you are not swayed by somebody that is just talking nonsense, whether it's for attention or whatever it is. But I just want you guys to know that, dude, it's okay. If you want to block somebody, block somebody. If you want to mute somebody, mute somebody. Get negativity out of your life at any cost. I do it, and it's made me feel a lot better. But that's what I wanted to say. I think it's important to make sure you're taking control of the content that's going into your life. I love you guys so much. Be nice, be loving, and be open-minded today. And have a great day. Peace. I got 2 videos for you, boys. You already know that, but I want you to watch them. Clutch is so cute, dude. Oh, he just laid down. Oh, he's belly up. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, if you guys could pet his belly, you guys would just melt. He's so great. Okay, bye.